Hey guys, I'm Vasily Smetanin and today I'm going to demonstrate you how to convert Google Spreadsheet into the call center. So we are using Skype as a call service, and that's what you need to do. So basically you can use direct number or you can use a link to some cell in a sheet. So in our case it's A2. I will add this link into description so you can edit and organize. If I want to move the number, I just need to specify specify where it's located. So in this case, it's going to be B5. Let's try it. B5. So let's check. Okay, it works. Awesome. So guys, I hope it was helpful and you are going to use this trick to organize your calls. I'm Vasily Smetanin. Thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and I hope you will find the link and you find this video positive for you and get more organized.